In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna on Expedia. This guide will walk you through the entire process of booking your trip while using a flexible payment option that allows you to split costs into smaller, more manageable installments. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account so you can access all booking features and track your reservations psula. After logging in, you'll notice several categories at the top of the page, such as stays, flights, cars, packages, and cruises. For this walkthrough, focus on hotel bookings by selecting the Stays option. Next, head over to the Destination field and type in the location where you plan to stay. Right beside it, you'll find the Date Selection tool. Click on it and choose your check-in and check-out dates carefully, as this determines the availability of accommodations. If needed, adjust the number of travelers by selecting the Travelers option and updating the number of adults or children accordingly. Once everything is set, click the Search button to view available hotels that match your preferences. Give the page a moment to load, then browse through the results. When you find a hotel that suits your needs, click on it to explore more details. After reviewing the room options, select the one you prefer and proceed by clicking Reserve. You'll now be taken to the booking page, where you'll need to enter basic information required for your reservation. Fill in the necessary fields accurately to ensure a smooth booking process. As you move to the payment section, take a moment to review the available methods. Depending on your location and booking details, you may see options such as card payments, digital wallets, or installment services. Klarna may appear here as a choice, but keep in mind that its availability depends on factors like your region and eligibility. If Klarna is listed, select it and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your payment plan. This usually involves confirming your installment terms before proceeding. If it does not appear, it simply means the option is not available for your current booking. Finally, review all your booking details one last time. Make sure everything is correct before completing your reservation. Once ready, confirm your booking to finalize the process. And that's how you can use Klarna on Expedia when the option is available. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.